I am wargokeith, and I am your prophet of atheism. So, I've been told that there are 5 questions every intelligent atheist must answer. Well, I've been sent the link, and let's go ahead and delve, shall we? The video itself is called... Oh, you've got to be fucking kidding me. The video itself is actually called 5 questions every intelligent atheist must answer. What fucking arrogant title! Oh, Jesus fucking Christ with an ass cap! It's done by a pompous git whose name's Philos71. Well, Philos, let's go ahead and see what you have to ask.
If you were watching this, you probably consider yourself an intelligent atheist, who either is going to college or has graduated from one. You probably desire to know truth and to become an independent thinker, free of religion. More than likely, you study a lot more than the average religious person. And the reason might be, among others, that atheists are just a minority, not well understood in your circle of friends or in your family or anywhere else or even here on YouTube.
I would really like to point out to you that it's your holy book that says you will be persecuted because of your faith, that others will hate you because of the joy that you have. Please leave the persecution and martyrdom to yourselves. We really don't need it. We've already been given enough martyrs by Christianity, Islam, and many other faiths I really don't want to get into. You know, on second thought, thank you for the persecution complex. I really needed more on top of being fat. Okay. Question number 1.
You say Christians use God to fill in what they don't know. Richard Dawkins coined the phrase God of the gaps as a stopgap for ignorance. But aren't you using chance in the exact same way in which you accuse Christians of using God, hence God of the gaps?
I'm going to assume you're talking about string theory here, which relies heavily on probabilities, not chance. And what's the difference, you may ask? Well, you mindless git, here it goes. Chance is defined as opportunity, a possibility due to a favorable combination of circumstances. Probability is defined by a measure of how likely it is some event will occur. Now, one of the major differences here, though, is that string theory is not universally accepted. It is not a law right now. It may never be. Now, there are several other theories competing with string theory, and let's see, graph quantum loop, which does not focus on probabilities. Neither does Gödel's incompleteness theorem. It's not universally accepted. There's chance. However, your God, you feel everyone must believe in. And all those who don't, you say put them at the stake. So really the major difference is scientists can say, we don't know. We admit we don't know yet. But the key word there is yet. And we're looking for an answer. You, on the other hand, no, I'm sorry, let me give you the benefit of the doubt there. Theists, on the other hand, say, magic did it. Anyone who says different, kill them with fire. Okay. Question number 2.
And this leads me to question number 2. Why should there be something instead of nothing? This is the existential side I know every atheist has. You must ask yourself this all the time. But you have to be able to answer me how you, as just a rational animal with no higher purpose in life, is here rather than not.
Now, you yourself say this is an esoteric argument, and I am really questioning why I'm doing this video. An esoteric argument, an appeal to a kinder, gentler nature, the idea of fluffy bunnies are cute, is not science. Come on, chocolate, don't fail me now. Truffles. Highly recommend them. When you're wading through shit, nothing's better than chocolate. Or a shower. And I'm gonna need a shower when this is done. I feel dirty. Okay. You know, chocolate helps. Yeah. I think I can do this. Okay. I remember why I'm doing this video now. It's because I was a Christian. Years ago, I was actually a minister. And then I started doing research. And maybe, just maybe, these videos will help you become a more productive member of society. If not you, then some other kid who's right now looking for answers, thinking, what is the meaning of life? How did we get here? And thinking, there's a couple of things I can click on and do some research and find out, rather than God did it. So I'm going to go ahead, though, and skip past your esoteric arguments of bunnies are cute, and instead going to go to the only intelligent questions you asked in number 2, which from my count had 5 questions in it. 4. You ask in here, what is the origin of the universe? Why did the Big Bang happen? Now, as for the second part, why did the Big Bang happen? You know, I am willing to answer that, but honestly, I'm not going to give you the satisfaction. With the terminology you have there, you are implying that there is someone who is responsible for the Big Bang. No evidence to support that. Now, as for the first part, what is the origin of the universe? Again, I've already given you 3 fields of science that are currently working to explain that. Please feel free to do some research. I'm going to go ahead and stop the video here because I really want to break before I move on to your moral aspects of your video. This is wargokeith, and I am your prophet of atheism.